Smart coffee maker. Vertuo coffee makers use a patented extraction technology developed by Nespresso, known as centrifusion. Just insert a capsule, and close the lever. And enjoy freshly brewed coffee, or authentic espresso. Single-serve coffee machine. Create barista-grade brewed single-serve coffee, or espresso cups at the touch of a single button. Designed for use with Nespresso Vertuo capsules only. Extra large 54 ounces water tank, and a very large 17-count, used capsule container. This machine also has a fast heat-up time, of only 15 seconds. There is an energy-saving automatic shut-off, at 9 minutes of inactivity. The Aeroccino 3-milk frother is included to create the perfect finish to your single-serve coffee beverages, such as cappuccino or latte.